Kevin, Middleton Country Flooring Direct. Thank you for your purchase of the hardwood laminate floor. Here's a quick tutorial on how to clean it. The hardwood floor cleaner by Mohawk is sustainable. It is environmentally friendly, safe for your kids and pets. You can consume it. I don't know why you would, but I don't recommend you consuming it. It tastes horrible. You just spray it right on, just like a Swiffer, and you use your cleaning pad. You can also use it, same exact thing, on the new waterproof laminate, which they say you can wet mop, but we recommend this method right here. This is safe for the floor. This is safe for your kids and your pets. Biodegradable, sustainable hardwood floor cleaner.